Hi guys, welcome back to Recute MV Solo. Thank you for watching me and appreciate me. This is a special song for my lovely honey bunny Rido. Jangan ngambak honey. Love you. Check it out. Good morning everybody. Look of life, the birds are out again. I can feel a chant upon the wind, the color of the sky and the sound of the rain coming down, down, down. I can tell that you're the same as me, 11-12, wanting to feel curious and free. Life had locked me in, but you open up the door. You open up the door. Season they change, gone away then back again. Every sign I see is you. I am tired of hiding how I feel. Every sign is telling me it's real. Looking back, it's easy now to see something inside longing to be free. The story in your eyes and the stars in the sky turning round, round, round. Look at love and how she's make her plan, urging us and offering our hand, bringing you to me, always meant to be. But now I understand that season they change, gone away and back again. Every sign I see is you. I'm tired of hiding how I feel. Every sign I see you is telling me it's real. Every ghost sign I see you is telling me it's real. Sign I see it's you. I'm tired of hiding how I feel. Every sign is telling me seasons change, gone away then back again. Every sign I see is you. I'm tired of hiding how I feel. Every sign is telling me it's real. Every sign is telling me it's real. Love you. Thank you for watching me, guys.